Hi friends, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll let you talk about the latest software update details on the Oneplus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, finally the Oneplus Nord 2 did receive the software update just now, and I'm eagerly waiting for this kind of software update. The reason you must be known because there's so many issues right now with this phone in the Oneplus Nord 2, app cloning issues and automatically applications are closing issues and battery draining issues and temperatures are increasing even with the normal usage. So many issues. Let's see what is the update size and what are the features it's got added and what are the bugs it got fixed and how much time it actually takes to finish the complete installation process. So that is what I'm going to explain in this entire video. So first let's start with the software update. As you can see, so right now the size of the update is about 172 MB. Okay, that's fantastic. And next is the version. So this is a version update version 8.08. That's another update version. And what got included? So this release includes the system stability. As you can see, improved the system stability and camera, optimize the HDR feature effect and improved the shooting performance. There's nothing mentioned about the app cloning and everything. Maybe the system stability must be related to the app cloning and app closing issues. I think so. Let's try to download this one process. So one more thing. The best thing about this OnePlus is that as soon as I read the comments, so many users, they are actually commenting on my video saying that, bro, I did receive the update, can you please check? As soon as I read the comments, when I checked in my phone, I did get the software update immediately. That's a very good thing in the OnePlus device. That is what I did like, because most of the users will get the updates immediately on the 1 day or 2 days of time. That's it. Not like other phones. I mean, right now Haiku 7 phone, still now we did not get the update. It's been close to 12 days, 12 to 10 days of time. Till now we did not get any kind of update. Few of the users, they actually got it. That's the one thing. Even the Realme X1 Max, it takes, I think 1 week later I got the update after few users receiving. But this OnePlus, as soon as I read the comments and then I checked, immediately I got the software update. That's a good thing. That's one thing, very fast. And it says battery too low. Right now my battery is 39%. It's too low. Usually it should be around, I think, 30% or 25%. I'm not sure. But let me just connect the charger. Let's see how much percentage it requires to reboot. So I think when I connect the charger, maybe it's asking for the restart. So now it should be kind of okay, I guess. So let me try to restart and let's see how much time it actually takes to complete process to finish. So this is a quick sample I'll be doing every time, because some of the users, they need to know how much time it actually takes to complete process to finish. If you remember, with this kind of updates, what happens is that the OnePlus logo will remain for a long time. Not only OnePlus logo, in every phone, it remains for a long time. Some of the users, they will get really tensed and they'll try to press the power button. So they may think the phone got stuck, but that's no, it didn't get stuck. It's processing the update. That is what it means. So that is the reason from then I thought of doing this kind of videos, showing you on demonstration how much time it actually takes. So all the doubts will be clarifying. Because right now the complete installation process took about 1 minute and 48 seconds only. That's it. This is a very small update. It did not take much time. So that's good. So that's good to know how much time it actually takes to update. So let me exactly show you what is a software update version and final thing. And yes, so checking for updates, last check, that's it, done. So right now it's updated, friends, and I'll be back demonstrating what are the problems it got fixed or not. I'll try to use this phone for the past, I think, for the next couple of hours, and then I'll be back. So meanwhile, if you have any other queries regarding this OnePlus Nord 2, so let me know in the comment section below. So don't forget to check the playlist. So playlist I did create for the OnePlus Nord 2, that will give you the clear idea what is going on with the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Not only that, just now I did upload the video on the battery draining. In case if you are not aware, you can check the battery draining while playing the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay, 100% to 0%. You will definitely get to know the details. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.